I love DIY tutorials, especially about web design. One thing that is often overlooked in web design is your favicon, that tiny little icon at the top of your web browser. Now, if you're working with a brand designer, then they've probably provided you with a logo or submark that you can use as your favicon. You just need to upload it to your website. But if you are brand new and just starting out, then this tutorial is for you because we can get you a favicon made in less than 5 minutes. It's that simple. You'll want to start here, favicon.io. You will see they have 3 different generators, one with an image, one with a text, and one with an emoji. Let's start with the image. If you have an image that you want to use, you can either just drag and drop it or upload it. So we are going to go pick this image right here on my desktop and download it. Okay, I'll show you what the inside of the folder looks like in just a minute and how to upload it for Wix. If you want to use a text favicon, click the text, and here you will see the text generator. This is the preview of what your favicon will look like as you build it. So first, you want to keep the text very short. So usually just your initials. So my initials for 4eyes Media is FEM. Then you have 3 different background choices: a square, a circle, or rounded. I am going to go with the circle. Favicon.io uses Google Fonts, so you can see there's hundreds, if not thousands of them in here. So if you have branding, then you should already know what your font choices are. And if you don't have branding, then you can have a lot of fun figuring out what font to use, or maybe you have a dominant font that you've already used when designing your website. So find your font, and if you look again at preview, the text is way too large. So we will change the font size to something that would fit into the circle. There you have it. Okay, then you get to choose your font color and your background color. For this, I'm just going to stay white for right now. And then the background color, you'll want your hex code handy. Again, if you have branding, you should have your hex code from your branding packet. And if you do not have branding, then you'll just want to pick a color that is your dominant color that you've been using when building your website. So I know mine, so I will put that in right now. All right, so again, the preview of what it will look like. So then all you have to do is download it. And then you will open your file and you will see all your options. Here they are. So the best size for favicons is 16 by 16. I have found though that for Wix, using the option they give you of favicon works best. So if you are a Wix user, this next part is for you. How you upload your favicon to your website. Go to your dashboard and click on Settings. From there, you'll click on Website Settings. You'll scroll down to favicon and click Update Image. It will then take you to your media folder where you can upload your favicon. Click your favicon, and then go up here to the top to save. That is how you design a favicon on favicon.io. There's also a way to do it on Canva, and I've put those step-by-step instructions on my blog. So go ahead and take a look at that if you want to design one in Canva. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a DM and I'll be happy to answer them.